Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Sorry, dummy. Lily's invisible.
Boo.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
God damn it!
Look, we all want Lily to be our mini-me, right? Well, there's only one way to settle this. We'll let Lily choose. Now, whoever Lily crawls to is the one she wants to be with.